Hello viewers, welcome to Soomro Academy. Today's lesson is concrete and non-concrete noun. In my previous class, we learned about diminutive noun. In this lesson, we will study about concrete and non-concrete nouns. Actually, we learned 6 nouns till today, which were common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, and diminutive noun. These were the nouns we learned in our previous classes. Actually, as we see that there are two kinds of nouns, concrete and non-concrete nouns. First of all, we will focus on concrete noun. Let's see. Concrete noun, a noun which names a physical object. We can see and touch a thing, is known as a concrete noun. Friends, those things which can be seen and can be touched is called concrete noun. For example, table, chair, people, boys, cat, piece, book, pen, cup, shop, milk, fruit, fan, watch. These are all concrete nouns because they have physical existence. They can be seen and touched. Therefore, we call them as a concrete nouns. Let's proceed to non-concrete noun. A noun which does not name a physical object but simply stand for a concept or an idea is called non-concrete noun. Those objects that can be perceived by our senses, means only we feel or realize, those things are called non-concrete nouns. As viewers, remember, abstract noun is non-concrete noun because the definition of abstract noun was those things which can be perceived by our senses is called abstract noun. Same definition we can define here, but non-concrete noun is also called abstract noun. For example, theft, love, childhood, boyhood, death, health, poverty, slavery, kingdom, joy, honesty, bravery, hardness, truth, kindness, goodness, softness, judgment, growth, union, wisdom, etc. Users, viewers, non-concrete nouns examples which are shown here, these are those things which can be perceived, which can be realized, felt, but there is no any existence of these things. These things only developed in mind, in thinkings. So that's why it is called non-concrete nouns. In conclusion, we can say, except abstract noun, all 5 nouns are concrete nouns because they have physical existence. Their examples can be touchable, they can be seen, That's why those are called concrete nouns, and abstract noun is called as a non-concrete noun. See you in next lesson of compound noun. In our forthcoming lesson, we will study about compound noun. Thanks for watching.